Pig. Peppa's Valentine's Day. It is almost Valentine's Day. There are lots of special cards and packages in the mail today. Zoe Zebra is helping her dad, the mailman, deliver letters all over town. She has one special letter for her friend Peppa Pig. Inside, Peppa and George hear the mail come through the slot on the front door.
"We got some letters!"
cries Peppa. She and George bring the letters to Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig as fast as they can.
"I wonder if there's something for me,"
says Peppa. "You have a valentine from Zoe Zebra, Peppa," says Mummy Pig.
"What is a valentine?"
Peppa asks. Mummy Pig smiles. "It is a card you send around Valentine's Day to tell everyone you love how much they mean to you," she says.
"Can I make a valentine for Zoe?"
Peppa asks. "Of course," Mummy Pig says. George wants to help. Peppa makes a card with a big pink heart and a bright red envelope for Zoe. Mummy Pig helps her write a note. It is so much fun that Peppa decides to make valentines for all of her friends.
"Mummy, what else happens on Valentine's Day?"
Peppa asks. Valentine's Day is all about spending time with those you love, Mummy Pig says.
"Can my friends come over and play?"
Peppa asks. "That's a lovely idea, Peppa," Mummy Pig says. "We can have a Valentine's Day party." Peppa makes lots of colorful valentines. Mummy Pig helps her write about her party. They put the valentines into envelopes and address them to her friends. Peppa can't wait to deliver the valentines. She goes with her family to Zoe Zebra's house to drop off her card first. Knock, knock. Mr. Zebra answers the door.
"Special delivery,"
says Peppa. Zoe runs down the stairs, followed by Mrs. Zebra and Zoe's twin sisters, Zaza and Zuzu.
"Thank you for the valentine, Zoe,"
Peppa says.
"I made you one too."
Peppa hands Zoe her card. Hooray! Zoe says.
"Wait till you hear the best part,"
Peppa says.
"I'm having a Valentine's Day party at my house tomorrow."
Yay! Cheers Zoe. I can't wait! Mr. Zebra offers to take Peppa and Zoe around town in his mail truck to deliver the rest of the valentines. The girls hop in and buckle up. Mr. Zebra drives Peppa and Zoe to Rebecca Rabbit's house next. Rebecca is very surprised. By the end of the day, Peppa and Zoe have delivered all of the valentines. Everyone can come to the party. The next day, everyone gets ready for the party. Peppa and George put up decorations. Daddy Pig blows up balloons. Mummy Pig bakes special treats.
"Everything is ready,"
says Peppa. Almost everything, says Daddy Pig. I have one last valentine to deliver. The guests will be here soon, says Mummy Pig. Then it's a good thing it's for you, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig says, handing her a card. All of Peppa's friends soon arrive at the party. Many have brought their own valentines to share. Peppa feels very special. She and Zoe dance, sing, and eat sweet treats all day with their friends. Happy Valentine's Day, Peppa! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. For more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. Thank you much for your support. See you next time.